everyone, and welcome to my iodine clogged reaction experiment. We are going to observe the reaction between two colorless solutions, which will suddenly change color after a period of time. For this experiment, we are going to need distilled water, weight scale, measuring cups, stirring spoon, and 2 cups. For solution A, we are also going to need 10% povidone iodine tincture and 1000 mg vitamin C. You can use either the vitamin C tablet or capsule, but for my experiment, I'm going to be using the capsule because the vitamin C is already in powder form. For solution B, we're also going to need cornstarch and hydrogen peroxide. To make solution A, I first measured 135 milliliters of distilled water and poured the water into a cup. Next, I poured the 1000 milligrams of powdered vitamin C into the cup and stir. I mixed the solution until I dissolved as much vitamin C as I can. Then I measured 15 milliliters of 10% povidone iodine and poured it into the cup and mix. The iodine tincture, or I2, is usually a dark pigment, but when it reacts with vitamin C, it converts into iodide, or I-, which is colorless. Now, for solution B, first I measured 50 milliliters of distilled water and poured it into the cup. Next, I weighed out 0.4 grams of cornstarch and mixed it with the water. I tried to dissolve as much cornstarch as possible. Next, I measured 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and poured it into the cup and stirred the solution. Now we have both solution A and solution B. Both solutions contain about 150 milliliters of solution. I poured solution A into solution B. Start the timer and mix the solution as best I can. Now while we wait for the reaction to occur, I'm going to explain the two reactions that are occurring simultaneously. The first reaction is the iodide ion, or I-, reacting with hydrogen peroxide to produce iodine, or I2. This makes the solution appear blue because of the presence of starch. The second reaction is the vitamin C reacting with the iodine to produce iodide ion. These two reactions constantly go back and forth, making the solution remain colorless until all the vitamin C gets used up. Once the vitamin C is all used up, all that's left is the excess iodine and starch, which will turn the solution dark blue. For the sake of this video, I'm going to fast forward the reaction. As a result, the reaction took approximately 6 minutes and 40 seconds at room temperature for the solution to turn dark blue. Now, we are going to redo the experiment, but this time we are going to heat up both solution A and solution B by putting them in the microwave for about 1 minute. I'm going to take both heated solutions and mix them together. Start the timer and stir and wait for the reaction to occur. Again, for the sake of the video, I'm going to fast forward the reaction. As you can see, the reaction only took approximately 1 minute at warm temperature. This shows that by increasing the temperature of the solution, we increase the rate of reaction. Other factors that may also increase the rate of reaction are increasing the concentration of the reactant, such as hydrogen peroxide and iodine, and constantly stirring the solution. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed my experiment.